It's hard to believe, but 50 cents can now do what $60 protein powders can't. I've seen it with my own eyes. Older adults who were told they needed expensive supplements suddenly rebuilding muscle using a humble food that's been sitting in kitchen pantries for generations. For decades, we've been sold the idea that muscle building after 60 requires animal protein or expensive powders. But the truth is simpler, cheaper, and honestly embarrassing for the supplement industry. Because your body doesn't just need protein, it needs sustained protein release, hormone support, and gut health. And there's one food that delivers all three for less than the cost of a candy bar. Today, I'm showing you the 50-cent food that builds muscle faster than protein powders, and the research behind this will completely rewrite what you know about muscle building after 60. It's black beans, and this isn't just about protein. It's about a secret weapon scientists are just discovering. A cup of black beans costs less than 50 cents and provides 15 grams of protein, plus a unique type of resistant starch that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. And here's where it gets interesting. New research shows this directly influences muscle growth through something called the gut-muscle axis that scientists are only beginning to understand. But the real breakthrough came from Harvard. Researchers discovered that older adults who ate beans daily had significantly higher levels of growth hormone and IGF-1, two critical hormones for muscle maintenance that typically plummet after age 60. Even more impressive, these hormone levels were comparable to people 20 years younger. Let that sink in. Eating black beans daily can give you the hormone profile of someone 20 years younger for 50 cents. The combination of protein and fiber in black beans creates a slow, steady release of amino acids that keeps muscle protein synthesis elevated for hours longer than any protein powder. Meanwhile, the antioxidants unique to black beans reduce the oxidative stress that accelerates muscle breakdown in aging bodies. But here's the key. How you prepare and eat them matters. The most effective method is soaking dried black beans overnight with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This breaks down compounds called phytates that interfere with protein absorption. Then cook them with bay leaves and cumin, which enhance protein digestibility, especially for older digestive systems. Here's the muscle-building powerhouse meal. Mash half the beans and leave half whole. Then mix them with brown rice in a 1-to-1 ratio. This creates a complete protein that rivals any animal source while providing sustained energy that prevents muscle breakdown when blood sugar drops. The optimal timing? Eat this at lunch when cortisol levels naturally dip and your body is primed for nutrient absorption and muscle repair from morning activities. And here's a trick most people don't know. Adding a squeeze of lime juice and fresh cilantro doesn't just improve taste. The vitamin C from lime juice increases iron absorption from beans by up to 400%. This iron is essential for producing myoglobin, the protein that stores oxygen in muscle tissue and prevents fatigue during any physical activity. So here's my question for you. Are you spending money on expensive protein powders when black beans could give you the hormone profile of someone 20 years younger? Drop your answer in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if this opened your eyes to real food nutrition, hit that subscribe button. We're exposing the truth about muscle building after 60. Want another dollar food that builds strength? Watch next. Over 60, the $1 muscle builder that beats $60 supplements. Proven. It's Greek yogurt, and it feeds your muscles for 7 hours straight. Click now. This is Fit Fixin', real food, real muscle.